to Summer Art Quest Camp or Weft Weave Sketchbook activity. I'm Miss Karen, and I'm going to show you a few things that we have in our sketchbook. I have some gridded paper for you. If we open all the way up like this, you've got some nice paper right there to work with. Some modern day weavers will work with a grid to help them figure out where their colors are going to go, how they should be, and really plan it out. You've already seen some examples of weavings that are a little more complicated. So let's make our own. You can start with a design of your very own. Let's say a heart, a star, a moon shape, whatever your favorite shapes are. And you start coloring them in with either markers, crayons, or colored pencils. I'll show you one that I worked on. Right here. Once you make your basic shape, then you still have all of these background design elements you can work with. Zigzags, stripes. Try to fill in the blocks though, blocks at a time. Because when you fill in the blocks, you're working with the warp and the weft, pretending that this is like a weaving that you could be working on in the future. How hard do you think it would be to turn this design into a real weaving? I think mine would be pretty difficult. Once you complete one of these, you'll notice you actually have another piece of grid paper. And on that one, let's try to make something realistic. Make a person, your animals, your pets, dogs, cats, a plant. You can look around, find something realistic, and see if you can translate it into a new weaving of your own design. Does it look like a person to you? It looks like a person to me, I hope. And then think again, this would be really hard to make in a weaving of your own design too, wouldn't it? Next time you see a weaving, especially if you get a chance to come to the Stark Museum of Art, think about how long it might have took that weaver to bring their design to life. Some D-Day weavings actually took over 6 months to create. That's a long time. I hope this gave you a little bit of food for thought. Thanks for joining us.